I think we're sold since we decided to let things go. Been hard on my heart, cause I second guess every decision. I guess I regret not giving it more time to see if it was all just in my mind. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was wrong. Catching up with old, I think about them in a different way. Cause you're not who I'm telling them about. When they ask if I'm with or without, yeah, I just want to be sure that I